The Woodlands Township welcomes you to Lake Paloma Park.
What's up, G-Fam?
Today we're going to bike riding.
We'll do a little bike riding, get some exercise in. The weather is gorgeous. We're gonna put in a little sweat and enjoy maybe some new scenery that we've never been at before.
They got a nice lake over there.
Nice little lake, nice little park. Well maintained and very clean. And we're just gonna be out today enjoying it.
What are you doing?
And bike riding.
Oh, Angel's gonna be riding.
Passenger.
Show him, Angel. Yeah, but you forgot to get up already? Yeah, Angel's riding on them pegs. Let's head out.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And what are you gonna win? What are you gonna win? No whammies, no whammies, no whammies, no whammies, no whammies.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Zeth is doing pull-ups off the bridge. Oh, oh, oh. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I thought he really was real.
Go, Angel, let me see. Oh.
Tippy toes, tippy toes.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, 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 oh. Look at that, look at that. Echo, echo.
Echo. There's a bunch of beehives.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shooty patooty.
Those could be birds. Those are birds.
Really?
Yeah, because you see how big the holes are?
And all that poop on the bottom.
Yeah.
Where's the other side of the bridge?
One over here. Oh, two. You got one to look at. More? Seriously? Oh my god. Look.
Y'all liking it here so far?
Yeah. Look.
I'm Batman. Yeah, I cannot do that. I'll bump my head on every single one.
You don't bump your head over there, kid.
Do you guys hear that? It's like really
Oh, Vato, look at you.
Oh yeah, I got some tricks. Whoa, you mean monkeys? Huh? You mean monkeys? You can probably draw.
Go, 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 go. Ready, Angel?
Yeah, take it.
She got left. She got dusted, yo.
Dust. She turned into dust.
She turned.
Dust.
You worked out already?
No, my buns hurt though.
My buns and my thighs hurt.
Oh my god, are they chafing? Oh, you got biker shorts. They don't chafe.
Hmm?
Okay.
This kid wants to go there. Cross down with the bikes. Yeah,
Not
right.
with the bike.
They'll call the police on us.
We can walk it.
You're gonna walk it?
It's wide. There's a lot of duck shit.
Ready? Yeah!
There she goes, the beautiful.
Okay, like our video. Give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you won't miss on another video.
peace. Get out, enjoy the weather, ride a bike. do some walking.
It's super zippy.
And drink water.
It's super zippy. No. Ready? Super jump. Yay!
Dang, bro. You're showing muscles, honey.
It's hot, okay? Oh, my legs.
Was it a nice workout or what?
Yes.
Man, show the muscles, boy. Let me see. Ooh.